Hello Jocelyn.
Hi Purnima.
I hope you enjoyed practicing punching in the air.
Yes, I enjoyed practicing punching in the air, but I wish I could punch in the punching bag.
Oh, you should have tried it.
But I do not have a punching bag.
That's okay. Need not to worry. I'll help you to make one.
Really? But how do we make it?
By using the materials which are available at home.
Oh, then I will enjoy making one with you.
Yes, sure. Can we make the punching bag now?
Yes, let's do it.
Materials required are pillow cover.
Purnima, do you know what this pillow cover is also called as?
No.
This pillow cover is called as bolster.
Bolster.
Yes, if you have a divan at home, the two round and long pillows in the corners are called as bolsters.
Bolster. Waist or a old cloths. A thick cotton rope.
Take a bolster and seal one end like this. Now, stuff the old cloth into the bolster one by one like this. Keep filling the bag till it is full. Now, seal the opening by pulling the lace like this. With the parents' help, get it tightly knotted. Now, attach the thick cotton rope to the bolster with your parents' help, like this.
Wow, our punching bag is ready.
Now, hang this punching bag in your house and practice punching. Now, you can practice counting with your handmade punching bag.
Bye bye.